I'm so excited for these two packages. I know what they are, so let me open them and show you. Where the hell is my scissor? I did my light makeup. I used my Sheer Tint by Peter Thomas Roth, my LYS bronzer, you know I love that one. Of course, my Pillow Talk lip liner, and a little SPF too. These are gonna fit perfectly into my makeup routine right now before work. I have 5 minutes. I got the Ultra Peach. I used to love putting peach underneath. It smooths everything out. It gives you just the right correction, but also brings brightness to the face. And my other one that I've heard people raving about, the waterproof setting spray. It is super hot out here right now and sticky. I normally would use my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, but I'm out of it. I have the e.l.f. setting spray in there because I do like this bottle. I don't like the e.l.f. setting spray at all. Let's try this one size. When I'm at work, I'm using the blow dryer a lot. My face gets so wet. My eyes tear. Let's just say my makeup gets almost sticky. I do like the dewy look, but sometimes it's a little bit too much at work. I have this setting spray, but first I want to use this Ultra Peach underneath my eyes. I'm so excited for this one. And it's so big. I have so many different setting powders. Let me just show you a few that I have here. Not in love with any of them. They sit over there. I don't use them. This one, at this point, is my absolute favorite. It's the Beauty Bakery Flower in yellow. I'm super excited to try this on my face. I'm going to tap some into here and then get a new puff. Do you see that? That is beautiful. It actually feels like it's making my face weightless. Okay, this might be my new favorite. Let's put on the waterproof mattifying setting spray. I'm excited to see how this lasts today because I am sweaty. I'm going to be hot. I'm going to have hot blow dryers on. Oh, it smells really nice. This might be a new staple in my makeup collection, but we'll see.